Hi y'all, it's MJ with Spy Center Security, the spy gear superstore. Today I'm going to give you my staff picks for my top 3 favorite hidden cameras. To start us out, I have the Wi-Fi security camera with rotatable lens. This is one of my favorite hidden cameras because it comes with all the features that you would be looking for in a home Wi-Fi camera. It has a super wide and high quality view. It has infrared night vision and can send motion detection alerts as well as perform motion detection recordings. This camera has everything built into a compact case, smaller than the size of a pack of playing cards. The lens has 120-degree field of view and it can swivel 180 degrees. I like that it comes with a 3-piece mounting kit, which makes it super versatile to mount anywhere. I've seen customers mount these in so many different ways, but I like to use mine plugged in, running nonstop like a traditional security camera. Next up, we have the 2K Ultra Power Bank camera. This one is super popular in store for our cameras without Wi-Fi. It just records internally to a micro SD card, but it still has all the features you could need. Plus, it gets that extended battery life. With the design of a power bank, this device will charge your different devices via USB and even wirelessly charge them on the top. This is my go-to recommendation if someone really needs a long battery-powered camera. It can last up to 180 days in motion detection standby mode, and I've seen people use it for multiple days of complete surveillance. Lastly, we have the DIY kit. This is essentially just the bones of a Wi-Fi camera. It's the jack of all trades, do anything, put anywhere camera. It's super compact, and the only part you need exposed is this tiny little camera lens. It's really useful for putting into an object that's already in the environment you're trying to keep an eye on. It also really works well to hide on your person as a covert body cam. You can also plug it in and run it non-stop like a traditional security camera. This one is perfect for any type of custom surveillance solution. Well, that's it. Those are my top 3 cameras that we currently sell. If you want to check any of them out or watch their specific product videos, I'll include those in the description below. We're also always getting new products and updating our inventory, so make sure to check back soon for more content. Thanks for watching.